Hello, my beautiful people, and welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are now watching the most complete series on YouTube to learn English and American culture in a simple, fun, and effortless way. You don't have to worry about complicated grammar or long, boring lessons. Just listen carefully and watch the video as many times as you need, and you'll be amazed by your progress. Today's video is about a very important topic in American and world history. Why did the US fight in the Korean War? To understand the reason behind this conflict, we need to go back to the end of World War II. After Japan surrendered in 1945, Korea was divided into two parts. The North was controlled by the Soviet Union, and the South was supported by the United States. This division happened along the 38th parallel and created two very different governments. The North became a communist state, while the South was more democratic. In 1950, North Korea invaded South Korea in an attempt to unite the country under a communist regime. This triggered a major response from the United Nations, led mainly by the United States. The US saw this as a critical moment in the Cold War. They feared that if one country fell to communism, others would follow, a belief known as the domino theory. To stop the spread of communism, the US decided to intervene and help South Korea defend itself. The war lasted from 1950 to 1953 and involved millions of soldiers from many countries. It was a brutal conflict with heavy casualties on both sides. American troops fought in freezing weather and dangerous terrain. The war ended with an armistice, not a peace treaty. So technically, North and South Korea are still at war today. The border remains one of the most heavily guarded places in the world. So, why is this important to understand today? The Korean War set the tone for future US foreign policy during the Cold War. It showed that the US was willing to take military action to stop the spread of communism, even in faraway countries. It also solidified the US alliance with South Korea, which remains very strong today. Thank you so much for staying with us until the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you don't miss the feedback session. It's crucial for strengthening your English skills and cultural knowledge. Give us a like, share the video with others, and help us grow and create even better content. See you in the next episode.